Wow.
Big city.
We finally made it.
We have to find Poe, though. I wonder...
There's so many tall buildings here.
I know. How are we going to find him?
I don't know. Well, we've got the airplane still. Maybe we just need to throw it now that we're in the big city. It should go right to Poe.
That's a great idea.
All right.
Okay, so let's find
Poe.
Poe in the big city.
All right. All right.
I'm sorry? This is my trash can. It's supposed to be for Poe. You're supposed to be Poe. It's landed on you.
I am rich.
Poe must have been here. Have you
Poe
seen
does
Poe?
not live here.
You're
mine.
You Poe? Do you know Poe?
No.
We came to the big city to find Poe.
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 Are you Poe?
No.
Have you seen Poe?
Sure
You don't know Poe?
No Poe.
About this tall? Yeah.
Maybe this side. Yeah. Well,
I can try.
find Poe. We have to find Poe.
Where'd it go?
There it is.
Poe! Where's Poe?
Poe.
You know Poe?
Do you know Poe?
Yeah, we know Poe.
I know Poe. Yeah.
I'm Coo.
Oh,
That's a Skiddy.
I'm Giddy.
Giddy. I'm mad.
Hi, man.
We're looking for Poe.
Oh, I'm looking for Poe too. Do you know where Poe is?
No, but we have airmail for him.
Oh.
It's for Poe in the big city, but
This big city is very big.
it's big.
If you throw it, will it find Poe?
That's what we keep hoping, but we keep finding other people that, well, at least you know Poe.
Yeah, you're getting
We
closer.
must be getting closer.
Yeah.
But do you know where he is?
No. He might be with our other friends. I don't know.
No. We're gonna have to find Poe.
Poe.
Shall we try the airplane again?
Let's see where the airplane takes us. You want to go with us?
You want to find Poe?
Yes, I want to find Poe.
Okay.
Let's go find Poe.
Okay. Hold on. Go! That's not Poe.
We're never gonna find Poe. This city's too big.
Oh, how are we gonna find out?
He really needs this message.
I know, it says to Poe in the big city, but
We're here in the big city.
it's too big. It's too big.
Pretty big.
What are you guys looking at?
Oh my God! Oh my God!
What's this?
It's you!
It's from
It's
Zooks!
I think Zooks misses you.
Oh, I wish Zooks was here! Oh!
It's in the case.
Big surprise! Open it.
Oh, what's that?
Open it. Open it.
Wow!
Zooks!
You came to the big city!
That's right. to see you. Oh.
Now we're in the big city.
Now let's adventure ScavenJester New York style!